welcome back. Made it home with the RX7. All good last night. You're probably seeing this a couple days later, but that's okay, right? So anyways, I'm gonna try to get it off the trailer. It's windy as shit outside. You're not gonna hear a thing with this camera because I have a mic for it, but it doesn't work with this camera because this camera's old and it sucks and whatever. So let's go unload the RX7, hope the ramps don't fall off, and hope the batteries on the camera don't die. I'm gonna have to be a little strategic on this one because where it's located, it's tricky. The car's so low that I have to angle the trailer properly, so I'm gonna try it on a little bit of a slope thingy. Hopefully the ramps will be up, kind of, you know what I'm saying, you'll check. Let's go do it. Oh yeah, plus, it's gonna rain. So I don't even, not really sure where I'll put it, but probably where Jess parks her car, right here. And sorry, honey, but you know, RX7 can get nice and cozy, you know what I mean? So we'll back up this truck and do our thing. Oh, getting sued with that one. Let the fuel pump prime. I'm almost out of gas too. That's the thing, you know, this truck is great. I love it. It pulls everything. It does everything I want it to. But it is a pig on gas, so that's why I don't drive it to work all the time. Anyway, let's back this rig up, huh? Hopefully, Lady's not behind it. Screwed up. I'm usually a pretty good trailer backer upper, but right here, whoa, going through the trees like a super lame. I'll get it. Don't worry. Don't worry. You saw me back in Jamie's garage, right? I'm all right. I'm aight. So, where is there? Okay, now this should be good actually. A little jackknife, but it's gonna be fine. It'll be alright. Oh, I'm reading them. Damn. That sucks. That should be okay though. Now the battery's dying on the camera, so we'll go get us a new battery so you can watch me drop this thing off the trailer. That's gonna be the tricky part. If the ramps bust on me, if the ramps break on me, it's gonna drop the RX7 right down on the oil coolers. That's not cool. Because given that I've spent so much money in the last 2 years on these cars and all the parts for them and the truck and the trailer, yada yada, you know how it is, right? I'm broke as shit. And I can't fix them. Plus all right, we're good, I think. We're good? Yeah, we're good. So step number one, I guess I gotta start the RX7. That's always a chore because I gotta like, crawl through the window with socks because I'm a big guy and it's like embarrassing. Anyways, you probably can't hear shit because of the wind. I'm so sick of weather. Great. That's totally what I wanted for it to happen. Beans. That sucks. beat the rain. Camera dropped. I'm having one of those days. Hi, yay! Now I got spots all over the screen from dropping the camera. Hope it's not busted too much. I'm gonna check it out later. Hopefully the audio is recording and all that stuff. But anyways, Jesse just got home. I got the RX7 is off the trailer, sitting in front of the house. You saw that. So I'm content with that for now. And I was hoping to make a longer video, but thing is, the car's home. We're good to go. Start moving forward. I'm happy to have the RX7 home because now, like, my babies are home. You know, like there's a lot of stuff in here, but I miss that car. And the next thing to come home is the 240. We're gonna start figuring out some room, doing things, making things happen. And yeah, maybe I've changed the stuff around in here. As you guys can see if you're looking around. I moved the cabinets, all the fun stuff. Toolbox is there now. All this kind of TV up in the corner. There's a little decoration area, initial D videos and all that stuff. Tire machine and stuff in the corner over here. Air compressor. The air compressor is there. Some crap that I wanted to paint. So there's a balancer. There's a tire machine underneath there. These super cool cabinets. Zoom works. My bead blaster. Some more cabinets and storage. Stuff up there. Some helmets. The Acadian. Super cool, awesome, wicked, badass beer fridge. Some old school design on it. Welders, some motors to build. The press, the grinder, saw. Nice tire rack that used to be a shelf. A bitchin' drag car. Oh yeah, look at this. Caged and ready to rage. Just needs a motor and, well, pretty much everything. But yeah, so maybe a shop tour in the next video. I don't know. Drop in the comments. You want to see a shop tour? You want to know what's going on inside the garage before I change it all again, which is going to happen this year some point. We'll get on it. We'll check it out. So that's it for now, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. We're going to do some crazy shit. Stay tuned.